Hey, are you making this common deadlift mistake? If so, you are not alone. But you do not want to do a deadlift lifting with your legs. Check this out. Notice how low my hips are in this angle. Well, what happens here is we have increased tibial inclination. Basically, my shin is leaning forward a little bit more. For doing a conventional deadlift, this actually kicks a bar out further away from our torso and increases shearing stress directly on your spine. And if the idea of lifting with your legs is to protect your spine, this does the exact opposite. So what we want to do, we want to have a slight bend in our knees and reinforce that hip hinge position. The tension should be directly through your posterior chain and your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and upper back while you maintain that optimal position. Remember, we do not want to squat our deadlifts, we want to deadlift our deadlift. If you have any more questions on this, make sure to check out the caption and drop a comment below.
Did you find this helpful? If so, pound that like button and hit subscribe. Now, if you want a free copy of our Chiseled Muscle Cheat Sheet, the no BS way to help you lose body fat and build lean muscle in 90 days, make sure that you go to the description below and download your free copy. Any questions? Drop them in the comments, and can't wait to see you with the next video.